So hello everyone, welcome back to the series. In our last video, we learned why Linux is the favorite operating system of cybersecurity professionals. So now let's move to the phase where cyber attack and every security assessment actually begins. But here's a question for you. Do hackers start by hacking? No, they start by collecting information. So imagine you are a detective solving a case. So would you act without collecting evidence? Of course not. The same happens in cybersecurity. Before testing a system, ethical hackers gather information about their target. So this process is called footprinting and reconnaissance. So what they look for? Website, domain name, IP address, email addresses, employees, social media, technologies. So every small piece of information helps build a bigger picture. So here's something surprising for you. Like many companies expose valuable information without even realizing it. A LinkedIn profile, a job posting, a public PDF, or a forgotten subdomain. So all of these can reveal using information. And the scary part, none of this requires hacking. So does this reconnaissance is illegal? Not at all. Ethical hackers perform the same process but with permission. They find exposed information, report the risk, and help organization to fix them before attackers take advantage. So remember this one line, hackers don't attack first, they investigate first. And that's why footprinting and reconnaissance is the foundation of ethical hacking. So in the next video, we will explore the tools used to perform reconnaissance and in the real world. If you're enjoying the cybersecurity series, so don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe. And if you want hands-on cybersecurity training with live practicals, so join us at SkyStates. So until next time, think like an ethical hacker, learn like a professional, and stay secure. Thank you. Bye-bye.